Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's CRO update for Saturday, 18 December. From the last time that I actually uploaded about CRO, after some few days later, I decided to actually give you another update as well. So we do have one blue line that I just don't want to see lose for CRO as well, and that is going to be the 0.50. If you start losing the 50 cents, you're going to dump all the way down to 38.67, because that's the big support level right now that I see. And technically speaking, guys, um, I do see maybe potentially we could even start falling to the 0.38, but it did that. It did that. The thing is that when we were back here in the 70s, nearly the 70s, I told people it's gonna go there, and we really went there, and it was a quick wick, and then we continued to the upside. So the question is, what's next? What's next? Can we actually continue to go further down or not? Now, if Bitcoin starts, to look bad once again, then expect that CRO can actually go all the way down. And on the weekly, we have something as an evening star right here, and that's not really good. That's not really good. Now, the best level of CRO, to be honest with you, the biggest support is going to be the 0.2, and I'm not gonna be bullshitting you, because this channel it offers honesty, but I do think 1.9 by next year is still on the cards as well. So at the moment, let's see what it does. Be careful with the trades. I did upload about Bitcoin today, so please watch that Bitcoin video as well. And if you guys are interested in the signal, yesterday we hit our Wi-Fi signal, even in this crappy market where Bitcoin is dumping, and we got some nice profit out of it. Previously, we also hit flux as well, and that one got a nice good profits out of it as well. Now look at this 0.2, because you have the biggest support right there, which is one touch right here, another touch nearly right there. And if you start losing this level, of course, you're going to go to the 0.38. Now let's see 2 days later how we open up. If we start to open below the 50, this blue line, if you see the next candle opening up like below here like this on the weekly, then you're gonna have that one in the next coming 2-3 weeks probably. So at the moment, on a shorter time frame, to be on the daily, it's on a downtrend. On a higher time frame, it's on an in an uptrend basically. So what I'm gonna do is, we had this like descending triangle from here to here, and I'm gonna show you a big wall that is happening right now. So you see that this is becoming and okay, right? So right now you can see that I just noticed this as I was speaking right now. Do you see this triangle that formed, this huge triangle? It broke below that triangle, and that's not something positive again. Okay. I'm gonna show you why. Now this is a valid triangle because previously on the daily we have never ever closed below this line. You see this line, we never ever closed below it, and right now if I zoom in, we have closed below it. You have lose this big triangle right now. You try to actually break out of it, make a fake out, continue, the apex happened, and now it's looking to dump even more. So the more chances are you can actually make a comeback and continue. That's a possibility as well. Or even we can make the fact that if I start to count the wicks as well, I'm gonna show you. If I count the wicks like this, then we really never actually lost the triangle, and the apex is still here. Now I'm just gonna redraw it like this. Let's see. There is now a possibility that this triangle is redrawn, and this is your final apex by 21 of December. So let's see what it does. Close below here, and that's bearish. Move above right like this, go to tradingview.com and put this triangle on the daily time frame as well, and follow this triangle, because it's gonna save you a ton in making decisions. And that's it. That's the only update that I'm gonna leave you with. Let's see what it does until 21 December. And thank you for watching this video. Kindly like this one if you have learned something new, or if I've helped you save your time, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.